Hi friends, Kerry Minati is a popular Indian YouTuber. His real name is Ajay Nagar. He was born on 12 June 1999 in Faridabad, Haryana, India. He has completed only 12th standard. First time he became familiar to YouTube when he was only 8 years old. He used to watch football tutorials on YouTube and got inspired to create his own channel. In 2010, he started his own channel titled Stealth Fears, on which he posted video related to football tricks and tutorials. Ajay Nagar posted quite a few videos on his channel, but he did not receive good response from the viewers. In 2014, after Stealth Fears, he created another channel named Addicted A1. He started making videos on gameplays with his commentary on it. To make the video more entertaining, he also tried mimicking Shah Rukh Khan and Sunny Deol in his commentary. Again, he failed to get enough views on his videos as there was a small audience for those kinds of videos. Later, Ajay Nagar came across another YouTube channel named Leafy Shere. He was impressed by the Leafy Shere's idea of gameplay roast videos and he thought of implementing the same format in his videos. In one interview, when he was asked how he had decided to make roast videos, then he said, "Out of nowhere, I was on a Skype call with a friend studying upcoming exams. On one message saying he has sent me notes to study, he actually sent a video to lighten up the mood. Despite its racy clickbait title, I realized there was nothing dirty about it and had garnered a high number of views. So I shot a video of my reactions of that video, which people loved. I have been doing that since." In 2015, he changed his channel's name to Kerry Deol and started posting videos on gameplay roast, and his channel got popular. He changed the name of the channel to Kerry Minati. During Ajay's 12th exams, he got really nervous about his economics exams as he was not prepared for the exam. So, with his parents' permission, he dropped out of the school and after 1 year, he gave his 12th exams from distance education. His one video in which he roasted Bhuvan Bam's video became viral overnight. And it became the turning point for his YouTube career. At the beginning of his teenage, he was quite overweight, due to which he had some health issues. So he joined the gym and after some diet control routines, he managed to lose his excess body weight. In 2017, Ajay Nagar's YouTube channel crossed 1 million subscribers and he received his gold play button. In 2017, he started his another YouTube channel, Kerry's Live. Ajay Nagar got 2 strikes on his YouTube channel, once by Bhim Narula, a local Haryanvi singer, and later by the owner of the YouTube channel Movie Talkies. Kerry Minati had made roast videos on the videos of both. In fact, Bhim Narula demanded a significant amount to remove his strike from Ajay's video. In an interview, he shared his journey as a YouTuber. He said, "In 2014, I started with my original channel, Addicted A1. I used to record gameplay videos with my reactions and upload them. It did not get me very far. After a year, I had about 35 likes. I then thought of evolving my content and started Kerry Deol. It worked well with the audience. The Counter-Strike community liked it and shared my work. After 6 months, I was bored and needed a change. Then I changed to my current niche, roasting." He was listed in the Time magazine's top 10 next generation leaders at the age of 19. He uploaded a roast video YouTube versus TikTok on his YouTube channel on 8 May 2020, and within a day that video got more than 5 million views. This video was deleted by YouTube on 15 May 2020 for violating YouTube's policies. In May 2020, he received Diamond YouTube Play button. He is the only Indian YouTuber to meet the Hollywood actor Tom Cruise. Friends, this was the biography of YouTuber Ajay Nagar. If you like this video, so please subscribe and share. And finally, thanks for watching.